So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first guys, you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com, and this is search button. Click to search. After that you can see this, enter your model number of motherboard, B650 UDAX. After that hit enter. Then click to title of this. Click on support. Select your operating system which is required, Windows 10 and 11, any, but installations process same, any. Audio driver, Realtek audio, then click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading automatically. I already downloaded. You can see this is 165 size. Just open and just double click to run. Yes. Now this is extracting. Then it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Chipset driver, AMD chipset driver, and click to download. You can see click on, after that automatically start. I already downloaded chipset. You can see this is chipset. Click on that and then double click to exe. It will start downloading. First ask it's this is also complete. Yes or no. Click on yes for the installation. So it is complete, and then close it. LAN driver, a Realtek LAN driver, and this is size. Click on download. So you can see click on that. After that start downloading. So I already downloaded, so you can see 10.2. Just open, and always try to download latest driver and double click to exe. Then click on yes. Now this is installing. And it is closed automatically, means this is installed. So Bluetooth driver, see this is Bluetooth driver, click to download, and completed, open, and double click to run. You can see this is installed Bluetooth driver. And it is closed automatic, this is installed. WLAN means Wi-Fi driver. You extract, then you can see this is Wi-Fi, and just click to download. You start downloading. And it is completed, just open it and double click to exe. And then click to yes. So it is closed automatically, then we will install and close it.